Hi, I'm Aditi Maheshwari from SnowWhiteAditi.com, and today I'll talk about the Lunchbox Principle, due diligence in 2026. In the movie The Lunchbox, two strangers build a connection through letters, not by what is loudly said, but by what is quietly revealed between the lines. That's what due diligence has become in 2026. Not a checklist of what's presented, but an interpretation of what's hidden in plain sight. Earlier due diligence was mechanical, financials checked, compliance verified, documents stamped. But today, especially in India's evolving regulatory landscape, truth doesn't sit neatly in disclosures. It lives in patterns. With SEBI's BRSR code, ESG reporting is now assured and data backed, not narrative driven. The MCA's digitized ecosystem connects filings, ownership, and governance trails, making opacity harder but complexity deeper. And here's the real shift. In 2026, AI isn't just a tool, it's the environment. We are no longer just auditing books, we are auditing algorithms, data lineage, and decision logic. Because risk doesn't always announce itself, it whispers through anomalies, correlations, and unseen dependencies. So the due diligence has moved from reviewing document to decoding signals. Using predictive risk mapping and continuous monitoring, companies now sense which metric feels too perfect, which structure hides layered exposure, which silence carries the loudest warning. Because regulators today don't just ask, did you disclose? They ask, did you understand what was unfolding between the lines? And just like the lunchbox, where meaning lived in what wasn't explicitly written. In 2026, the success of due diligence depends on one thing, not what you read, but what you understood between the lines.